Okay, we've finished our head. We got the eyes are in. We finished painting it. You see that the eyes, that's hardened up good. So what we're going to do is hook the mouth up, make sure we don't have to make any final adjustments on the mouth. And I'm going to use some paste wax. We're going to put some paste wax on this just to help it to slide a little better. We'll put some on here also, and on the inside. Where the string goes, we're going to put a little paste wax on here to help it, so it'll slide better. And then we'll also put some down here, so when it's on the body, that also helps it to slide better. Okay, so we're going to take our string, our string tied on. We're also going to put a staple in here so it doesn't come untied on us. There we go. We're going to hook up our spring. And then we have a 1-inch ring that we're going to use. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. There's our ring. We'll check this to make sure it's going to fit okay without catching on anything. I think we're going to be okay. This is one thing you want to make sure is correct before you put the back on and the wig. You got to be sure that your mouth's working properly. If you have to make any adjustment, it's best to do it now before you get all that stuff put on there, because then you have to take it all apart again to get back to it. So this is a very important part, is to make sure the mouth's working correctly. think we're okay. We'll feed this through. Test here. So everything is working good. So we can put the rest of this together. I always leave the string long so you can adjust it however you want to. Like I say, it works good with either hand, whether you're left or right-handed, and you can use your thumb or your finger, whichever you prefer. So we got that. It's all back together, working properly, so now we can put the back of the head on, and then we can do our wig. Thanks for watching.